Okay, good morning, excited 8th graders. Today we're talking about polygon angles, and Nathan gave us the cue for action, so we're ready to go. So first, finishing up yesterday's topic, we're finishing discussing more about exterior angles. Exterior angles are angles on the outside. So if I drew a triangle, and if I extended each line, made into some kind of weird fork thing, the exterior angles, there are three of them. One here, and one here. Now, together, if you stuck them all together, it actually makes one full circle. So the exterior angles of a triangle have to add up to 360 degrees, which is the angle measure of a circle. So if I know two exterior angles, like say this is 120, and this is 140. If I want to find the third, I do 360 minus 120 minus 140. Okay, that gives me 100 degrees. That's how you find a third exterior angle if you know two other ones. And if you care, you should know that 120 leaves this to be 60 because it's 180, and this would be 40 to make 180, and this is 100. That will leave 80, and those are all the angles of that triangle, interior and exterior. Okay, now there is one other thing that's going to show up in your assignment. This looks confusing to students at first, but it's not really that difficult. To do this, we're going to talk about for any type of polygon, how much the angle sum measures. So in a triangle, adds up to 180 degrees. A quadrilateral can be split into two triangles. 2 times 180 is 360. Okay, a pentagon can be split into 3 triangles. That makes 3 times 180, 540 degrees. A hexagon can be split into 4 separate triangles, which makes 720 degrees. The rule is pretty much for each side you add to the polygon, you add 180 degrees more because you add one more triangle. And if there's 3 sides, there's 1 triangle, 4 sides, 2 triangles, 5 sides, 3, 6 sides, 4. The formula becomes n minus 2, where n is number of sides, times 180. So let's do an example using that formula. So suppose we have, for instance, a octagon. An octagon, n equals 8. Now, n is number of sides. Shouldn't be touching your face, Mr. Davis. Alright, so we do 8 minus 2 times 180. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 times 180. 6 here being number of triangles you can split an octagon into. 6 times 180 would give you, I should use my calculator really quickly. $1,080. I'm pretty sure I taught my third period slightly wrong if I did that. Oh well, 1,080 degrees total. That's how much all the angles have to add up to in an octagon. Now, they might ask, well, what's the angle measure in a regular octagon? A regular shape means all the angles are equal. So I take that 1,080 and divide it by 8 for 8 angles. Divide that by 8. So each angle in an octagon is 135 degrees. Alright, just to make it clear, let's do another example. Let's do Let's just go weird shape. How about a 14-gon? In a 14-gon, we're going to do 14 minus 2 times 180. Twelve times 180. That will equal 2,160 degrees in total for the 14-gon. If I want to find the measure of one angle, if it's regular, meaning all angles are equal, I do 2,160 divided by 14. So each angle here is approximately 154.29 degrees. Alright, this assignment's a little longer, so I'm going to give you Wednesday and Thursday this time to work on it. And turns out Friday is a no school day, so this is the rest of your week is doing this, and then we'll come back on Monday. Good luck. Any questions always, ask me, richard.davis@slcschools.org.